Okay, so earlier today I changed my tire and I went to put the wheel on my bike here. Pardon the mess in the garage. I got a bunch of garbage here that I need to sell. Anyway, and I noticed something was a little off about my fork leg. Now, it wasn't this bad when I looked at it. It was kind of like this. And I thought, well, that doesn't look right. So I pulled on it a little bit and a little bit of dirt came out of the seal. But then the leg kept going and going and going and going. I'm not actually applying very much pressure to it. And you can see the difference in height here. Not only that, and I don't know if my microphone's going to pick this up, so I'm going to get a little close here. Listen to this. You hear that? Something right in here is loose. Now the bummer is I have the Lucky cartridge kit. This wasn't exactly a cheap upgrade. It's got about 40 hours on it. And it's bad. So not sure what broke. Good news is Fast Lab did the work and they're awesome. So I'm going to take the forks back to them early next week, and I'm hoping it'll be a warranty repair. I've heard that clunk 2 or 3 rides ago, and again I think the following ride, but I didn't hear it last time I rode the bike, which was the hot dog race pre-ride. I actually thought, because I had a broken fender the first time I heard the clunk, that I had this hitting against something because I didn't have the number plate or the fender. So I heard this clunk at 7 Springs, but it was intermittent. But long story short, if this has been broken like this for as long as it has been, then I've been riding on one fork leg for the last 4 or 5 hours, maybe more. Yeah, see? That's just not normal. Anyway, so this bike is out of commission for a while. And yeah, looks like I'm not riding this weekend. But anyway, keep an eye out. If you guys have a MXT Lucky kit, just make sure you don't hear a clunk and check your legs when you take the wheel off. So that's that. Thanks for watching.